Strategy number 8, relevant blog commenting. For this strategy to work, what you need to do is find relevant blogs in your industry that have blogs which allow you to comment on them. So the key here is allowing you to comment on them. So these links in general, they aren't the most authoritative. However, they do help you diversify your backlink profile and they do help push more relevancy to your website, which is a super important thing as we discussed multiple times already. So let's head over to Google now and I'll show you exactly how we can find these blogs. So as you can see, I'm over on Google, and for the example of this link building strategy, I'm going to use my actual website, so ClickSlice, which is an SEO agency. I thought it would be good to use my website as an example, as I know a lot of you taking this course will actually want to start your own SEO agencies, so showing your strategy from an SEO perspective will be really helpful. So let's go over to Google. So you simply just want to type in best SEO blogs. However, if you're targeting a different industry, such as music, you might want to take SEO and put best music blogs, best pet dogs, best health blogs, best fitness blogs, and so on and so on. So I'm going to go for best SEO blogs and then click search. And as you can see, Google has returned tons of results to me, all to do with SEO blogs. In position 1, we actually have Ahrefs, 29 awesome SEO blogs to follow. So I'm actually going to look at this one as they've already done the work for me. Instead of me finding 29 blogs manually scrolling down, this is actually a summary and a roundup of 29 awesome SEO blogs. So let's have a look at this in a bit more detail. 29 awesome SEO blogs to follow. So let's scroll down and see the list. So you've got number 1, Backlinko. We have number 2, Ahrefs, which I'm going to ignore that one as we're already on Ahrefs. And then we have Moz. Let's look at Moz. And in position 4, we have another website called Search Engine Watch. So let's look at these 2 websites. Let's go over to Moz and we have this article right here, Marketing in Times of Uncertainty. Let's have a look at that one and see if there's an option to add a comment. So let's scroll down to the bottom because normally the comment section is at the bottom of the articles. And as you can see, there's tons of comments on this blog, which means we can also add a comment as well. So as you can see, add a comment and give that a click, and it gives us the option to add a comment on this blog. Do bear in mind, when you add a comment, you don't just want to say anything to get a link back to your site. You want to at least comment on what the article is about. So this article is about marketing in times of uncertainty. So if I want to get a link back to my SEO agency, what I need to do is mention my agency in there naturally. So in this example, what I can actually do is say, yes, I totally agree with you. I can't spell today. I've been working really hard to grow my agency in these difficult times. And then when I have grow my agency, I would simply select that and then click link and then put in insert link and put a link into my website, which I'm just going to copy up here. Copy that and then go back to the tab and simply paste it in and then click insert and then click submit. Actually, I'll tick this box. Email me when new comments are posted. Actually, I'm going to untick that. I don't want any more emails in my inbox. And then click submit. And typically you have to go through a process. This comment hit Roger's moderation filter. So as you can see, because I've included a link, it's now flagged up. This is why you want to make sure when you put your link in, it comes across natural. So in this instance, I've just put it very short as 1 sentence. I do actually recommend you actually read the article and put a proper response and then get your link in there. That way you can be certain your link will get approved. So let's look at the second website, which is searchenginewatch.com. Let's look at this most recent blog post and just scroll down again, see if they have an option to add a comment. Don't think they do. Nope. So in this instance, there's no option to add a comment on the blogs. So this isn't a good fit for us. So as you can see, some websites do accept comments and some don't. So it's all about going out there and then finding all the blogs which do accept comments and then actually publish a comment. This is a very easy strategy to implement. It does take a little bit of time as you have to read the articles properly to ensure your comments will get approved.